Students, today we will perform experiment number 14, study of logic gate. Logic gate is that kind of circuit which has one input or more than one input, but output is always one. So there are three basic logic gates are there. One is OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. If you combine this AND gate with NOT gate, it makes AND gate. If you combine OR gate and NOT gate, it will give you NOR gate. So these are some ICs having the numbers 7400, 7402, 7404, 7408, 7432. These are standard TTL families, and for TTL device, any voltage from 0 to 0.4 volt is considered as a low input, and for any voltage from 2 to 5 is considered as a high output. Means for a logic gate, whatever the number of inputs are input voltage we are supplying, it will give you only the output, one output, and that output will be high or low. If the output is high, then the voltage value will comes as 2 to 4 voltage, and it will always consider as a one number. So if the output we write as a one number, that means output is high, and if the output is low, that means the voltage of the output is ranging from 0 to 0.8 volt, and we could write this output as a 0. Means for a logic gate, we'll have either high output or low output. High output is always written with a number 1, and low output is always written as 0. Let us study the circuit diagram of these ICs. The IC number 7432, it is nothing but OR gate. It is a basic OR gate. It has number of inputs, but output is 1. So here if you count it, the number of input is 2, 1, 2 for the OR gate. Now this is a IC of OR gate. So this IC consists of 1, 2, 3, 4 OR gates. Now if you see the connection here, so number 1, 2 is input and 3 gives you output. 4, 5 input and 6 gives you output. In above gate, 9, 10s are input, 8 is output. 13 and 12 number is our input and 11 is output. For the given IC, this is common connection. The number 7 is always connected to ground, and number 14 is always connected to VCC, that is the voltage. Now this is a IC. See, it has more than 3 terminals. I just invert this IC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It has a 14 terminals. And among the 14 terminals, now how to place the IC? If you see it very carefully, so you will get a C section, that inverted C section here. So this is from this part, we could count this number is 1, this number is 2, and third number gives you output. 4, 5, 6 number gives you output. This number 7 is connected to ground. Then 8 number gives you output. 9, 10 are inputs. 11 gives you output. 12, 13 are input, and number 14 is connected to VCC. So you will get a same kind of structure for IC. Now this is about the OR gate. Now for the logic equation of the OR gate is y is output, is equal to A plus B, where A and B, these are the two input terminals of the gate. So if you see the circuit diagram, it consists of 4 OR gate, and each gate is working as a OR gate which has a 2 input and 1 output. So truth table for the OR gate, we found that we'll consider the A and B as a 2 input, and we'll put those conditions to the A and B input terminals. Initially we'll put both the inputs at low voltage, then A input at low voltage, B input at high voltage, then A input at high voltage and B input at low voltage, and then A input at high voltage, also B input at high voltage. Now if you use the equation here, output is always gives you the summation of these inputs. That means if any one of the input is high, then output is high. So therefore I got it, when the A and B both are at low voltage, we get the low output. But if whenever any one of the input is high or both the inputs are high, we will get the output is high, and therefore it is written as 1. Let us see the structure of the AND gate IC. AND gate IC number is 7408. It has 2 input and 1 output. 1, 2 inputs, 3 is output. 4, 5 inputs, 6 is output. 7 is connected to ground. 8 is output. 9, 10s are input. 11 is output. 12, 13s are input, and 14 number is connected to VCC. Now the Boolean equation of this gate AND gate is output is equal to A dot B. That means whatever the 2 inputs, whenever these 2 inputs are high, then we'll get the output is 1. So there are some corrections in the handbook. When output is equal to A dot B, it shows that whenever any one of the input is low, output is low, and when both the inputs or all the inputs are high, then only the output is high, and therefore for 0, 0 output is low, 0, 1 output is low, 1, 0 output is low. When both the inputs are high, then output is high. Now let us see the circuit diagram of a NOT gate. The IC number is 7404. This IC consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 NOT gate. NOT gate is nothing but the inverter. It has only 1 input and 1 output. So Boolean equation for the NOT gate is y is equal to A bar. That is just a inverse of the input. If the input is low, then we will get output is high. That is 1. And if input is high, we will get output is low. Students, please do this correction in your handbook also. So for a truth table of NOT gate, we will have only 1 input and 1 output. If the input is low, output is high, and if the input is high, output is low. Now let us see the circuit diagram for NAND gate. NAND gate is a combination of AND gate and the NOT gate. NOT gate, here it is shown with a bubble. Bubble is nothing but it is get connected with a NOT gate. So If you see the circuit connection, here also this IC consists of 1, 2, 3, 4 NAND gate and the IC number is 7400. It has 2 input and 1 output for every gate. And for the IC connection, 7 is always connected to the ground and 14 is always connected to VCC. Boolean equation for this NAND gate is y is equal to a dot b bar, that is inverse. So it will give you output high if any of the input is low or both the inputs are at low. So it will get the high output. Let us study with a NOR gate. NOR gate is a combination of OR gate and the NOT gate. The bubble shows the NOT gate here. Here the circuit connection, if you see, it also consists of 1, 2, 3, 4 NOR gate, but the connection is different from the other gates. We find number 1 is the output, 2, 3 are input, 4 is output, 5, 6 are input. Number 10 is output, 9, 10 are inputs. Number 13 is output, 11, 12 are input. As usual, number 7 of the IC is connected to ground and number 14 is connected to VCC. Its Boolean equation is A plus B bar. Students, you have to do the correction in your handbook and it will give you a high output if all the input terminals are at low, and if any one of the input is high, it will give the low output, and therefore for 0 0 output is 1, and for other any kind of combination the output is low.